Hi everyone, it's Hillary from the Cochrane Public Library. I wanted to jump on our YouTube page to share with all of you my own do-it-yourself cleaning solution. Are you ready to get started? It's super easy and it's safe for kids and great for the environment too. You ready? Awesome. Let's go see what we need. Okay, you will need a container with a nozzle. I bought mine at Canadian Tire, but you can reuse another spray bottle that is empty. Vinegar, white or apple cider, essential oils or citrus rinds, a funnel, and a measuring cup. Finally, baking soda for tough messes. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is the bottle that you're going to put your solution in. So I got mine from Canadian Tire. It's the one I use at home all the time. And because we're doing 1 part water, 1 part vinegar, I've already measured it out. Thankfully, mine has a line that tells me where the 1-to-1 ratio is. But what you can do is you can eyeball it. It's still going to work, I promise. So because I've added my water, now I'm going to add my vinegar. But you know what? Before we do that, because I don't have with me some essential oils, I'm going to put the rind of an orange that I had from my snack today. So you can do any combination. So I like to do, if I have it handy, some rosemary and some orange. You can also do lemon, you can do, let's see here, what would be a good combination? Orange and lavender might be really good. If you have any more ideas of different combinations, or if you come up with some after seeing this video, let me know. I'd love to hear about it. All right, almost done. Now because I'm not using essential oils, this is going to have to stay in the bottle and not be used for a week. But if you make enough of these, they'll last you quite a long time. I like to make mine ahead of time, so when I'm about halfway down my bottle, I start making another one. But if you're needing a solution fast, you can absolutely use essential oils. I use about 8 to 10 drops depending on what I'm using. A little side note, while I'm here putting the rind in. Now you remember, you are using vinegar. So that means that no matter what, it's still going to smell like vinegar. Not taste, smell like vinegar. Well, I guess if you taste it, it's still going to taste like vinegar. Just a friendly tip. I know the first time I did it, I was a little shocked. Thought the essential oil would help, and it does. But not as much as you would like. All right, now let's add our vinegar. That is what, oops, sorry, dropped my funnel. Had to go grab it. So, using my funnel, I'm gonna measure out a cup and a quarter to add to my solution. So here's a cup. What I love about science is that it mixes math with it as well. Two of my favorite subjects in school. Now we're just going to add a quarter. What are your favorite subjects in school? Let me know down below. Adding the last bit. There we go. Now let's put the lid on top. Give it a nice shake. And now you can leave it for a week. Bonus tip before we go. If you have really hard stains that you're trying to get out, put a little baking soda on top. Place it down over the stain that you're trying to get rid of, and then squirt your solution. Well, that's all for me. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Please remember to share with us. We'd love to see it. And if you have any more questions, feel free to ask them down below. Hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks for coming. Bye. Alright guys, that's it for me. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to comment below with what you've created. I can't wait to see them. Take care. Bye.